Dear students, today's video is on grammar. On Thursdays, I make videos either on grammar or vocabulary. For the past few weeks, I've made videos on vocabulary. To see the videos I made on grammar or vocabulary earlier, you can visit my channel or Facebook page. Now coming to today's video, the topic is prefer. It means to choose something rather than something else or to like something better. Examples: I prefer tea to coffee. I prefer cold to hot weather. Most people prefer private transport to public transport. Many children prefer computer games to outdoor games. So when you choose one thing rather than the other, and we always put two in the between, and prefer is used when you are talking about two things. Now you can take some time to read these sentences. Let us see the next sentences. I prefer studying in the evening to studying in the morning. There is another way of saying this. I prefer to study in the evening rather than study in the morning. I prefer failing to passing by cheating. I prefer to fail rather than pass by cheating. So these are action words. So there are two ways of writing these types of sentences. Either you can use the first method, I prefer studying in the evening to studying in the morning, or I prefer to study in the evening rather than study in the morning. Now you can take some time to read these sentences. Next is would prefer to or would rather. They are used when we are making a specific choice in a situation. Both have similar meaning. I like tea, but today for a change, I would prefer to have coffee as you make it so well. I like to stay at home on a holiday, but today I would prefer to go out since the weather is so pleasant. You can make these sentences with would rather also, and the short form is I'd prefer to or I'd rather. I like tea, but today for a change, I'd prefer to have coffee as you make it so well. I like tea, but today for a change, I'd rather have coffee. With would rather, you do not use to. Now you can take some time to read these sentences. I'll repeat again. Would prefer to or would rather is used when you are making a specific choice in a situation. But if you are talking about generally, then the word is prefer. I prefer tea to coffee. Dear students, I hope you find today's video useful and informative and have got clarity about the right use of prefer for things, for actions, would prefer and would rather. And in case you want to prepare well for your IELTS exam, you can join my class. I have given my contact number. You can also subscribe my channel where you will find a lot of content that will help you in exam preparation. All the very best.